Hi, welcome to this video on MS SQL covering the concat function, concatenate and cast. On screen you can see I've got to select from my full table returning 3 columns. And what I want to do is I want to return a 4th column that is these 3 all together in the same column. And to do that I can use the concat function, and concat will join together multiple columns and return it as one column. So if I do that, if I do, so it should be name, in brackets, if I run that, it returns for me these 3 columns all together in one column. So each entry is separated by a comma. So what I can do in here is I can say I want that, so I want the name, then I want the space, dash space, then I want the type, then I just want comma, a space, and then I want my is colourless value. So that's 5 separate values here that will be returned as one column. There you can see, and there's the space at the end of that. So that works pretty well. There is another way of doing concatenations in SQL, and that is just to say I want that column plus that column, and that does kind of the same thing, and I can separate it by like that. So that column plus space dash space plus that, and that works. The complication comes in when you're doing the last little bit. It'll accept that fine with the space at the end, but when you then come to add this column, we're going to get an error, and that's because this final column is a number. So when it sees this plus, it thinks it's a calculation, but all of this already is a concatenation, and you can't have both. So the way to fix it is to make this column actually to be text, and we can do that by casting it. So right now it is a number, but we are going to cast it as a character, and then that works. So the cast keyword is used to change a column from one data type to another data type. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.